Hello, welcome back to DIY IT Department. In this session, we're going to be discussing with you a tool that Microsoft has for you, and that is called Task Manager. Task Manager is used when you might have a program that is frozen or not responding. Maybe your internet browser won't shut down, or you can't get anything on your PC to happen. Maybe you can't even move your mouse. So this is where you would want to bring up the Task Manager. To do that, all you do is hit Control-Alt-Delete, and since we can't capture that on video, we've made a photograph of what it looks like. This is the menu. When you click on Control-Alt-Delete, you have Lock This Computer, Switch User, Log Off, Change Password, or your Task Manager. So you want to click on the Task Manager. We're going to go ahead and bring that up. And it will bring up this menu for you. And as you notice, you have your Applications tab. This tells you all the applications and software that is running currently. It's going to tell you the status. Most of the time it's going to say running, but if it's not responding, it will say not responding. To stop your Task Manager or stop a program that's running in your Task Manager, you just highlight the program and hit End Task. Now go ahead and end the task for you. Now sometimes you will have an issue where it is having trouble, your PC is having trouble ending the task, and it will come up with a little menu box and say, do you want to end now? And you say, yes, end that process now. And then this is good as our Processes tab. This tells you how many processes your computer is running behind the scenes. As you notice here, it's telling you how many kilobytes it's taken up and also the name of the program that is using that process. Now, if you're inexperienced or not an advanced user, I don't suggest coming in here and start ending all these processes because a lot of your programs need to work on those processes and do that behind the scenes. Next, we have your Services tab, which is a good tab for you to take a look at. And then our Performance tab, this tells you how your PC is performing. If you notice over here, you got the CPU usage, and right now mine's bouncing from 15 to 21%. And then down below that, this is your memory or RAM. On this machine, I have 3 gigabytes of RAM loaded, and as you can see, it's using 1.18% or 1.18 gigabytes right now. Then you have some stats for you on your physical memory and your kernel memory, and then some system stats right here. Your next tab will be your Network tab, and then of course your users, how many users are on the PC at this current time. So that pretty much concludes our session on how to use the Task Manager. Remember to use this tool if you have a total lockup of one of your programs, your internet browsers aren't responding, or you have total freeze up of your entire system. You want to do this Task Manager instead of shutting your PC completely down, and that will maybe save you some time of bringing your computer back up from complete shutdown. So we will see you on our next session. We're going to be going over how to use your computer manufacturer support center.